Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another basic ingredient recipe, that is Tutti-fruti made with watermelon rind. So this recipe was shared by Style with Grace. So this recipe is just improved and easy version of that recipe. So let's get started. So here you can see I've taken medium size watermelon and I'm going to cut the top and also the bottom so that it will be easy for me to peel out the green part from it. Don't remove so much of it, just a little bit so that the spot removed. And I'm going to peel it using a peeler. Take your own time because peeling the watermelon is not an easy task. You need to just remove the green part, not whole of the white part. Take your own time. When it will be ready, it will be look like this. So if a little bit of yellow part remains, that's okay. And I'm going to cut it into half. Try to use a fresh watermelon so that it will be very easy to make the tutti frutti, and if you use old watermelon the rind will be very smushy and it is unfit to make it. Cut the watermelon fruit as shown in the video. It will be easy for you all to separate the fruit and rind. So actually the rind has many medical values. It actually develops the brain of the children and also purifies the blood. If you want to check more medical values of it, you can always read the description box below. I'll put the link. So scrape out the fruit to a ball using a spoon. Try to remove whole fruit. You can eat the fruit, or else you can also always make my recipe of watermelon juice by clicking this I button. But now using the rind we are going to make the tutti frutti. So I've taken 1/4 of the watermelon rind. You can see here I've scraped out all the red part and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to chop them into strips. You can see here I'm using like 2 mm of the width to cut the strips. And I'm going to cut it into tiny cubes. Take your own time. Size doesn't matter because after it dries and cooked it becomes more small. And I'm going to weigh it 2 cups, so that I'm going to take 2 cups of the chopped rind into a pan and I'm going to add half cup of sugar. And I'm going to keep it on the stove on medium high flame. You need to keep the flame only at medium high flame. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and I'm going to stir it continuously and cook it until half of the water and the watermelon get transparent. You can see here that watermelon became transparent and half of the water has gone. Then it's ready to die. Before that you need to make them cool. For that you need to remove from the stove and you need to stir it till they become cool. And I'm going to divide them into 4 parts so that I can dye it into 4 different colors. Now they become totally cool, so I'm going to transfer them into bowls. And now I'm going to dye them yellow, orange, green and also red. Here I've used powder colors. You can also use gel food coloring or else normal liquid one. Then I'm going to refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. And I'm going to transfer them into plate and I'm going to dry them for 4 to 5 hours or till they become like this. That's it guys, your tutti frutti is ready. Like, share and subscribe my channel Foodie Rules. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and also on Facebook. So the links are given in the description box below, so you can check out there. Thank you for seeing this video.